In this video, we will show how to build applications in IBM Planning Analytics Workspace, our web-based UI, starting with dimensions and hierarchies, moving on to cubes, data loading, business rules, and finally performing a reorganization. IBM Planning Analytics Workspace is the customizable user interface that enables users to combine data from any cube in any IBM TM1 model into a single view, using various representations of the data: a viewer, Excel reports, charts, or cell widgets. The first building block for a planning analytics application is a dimension. Let's start with the organization dimension. Dimensions are normally integrated with source systems and run scheduled to ensure that new and updated items are automatically reflected in planning analytics. In this example, we will build the dimension from an Excel spreadsheet using a simple drag-and-drop gesture. Organizations often show the results using different hierarchical roll-ups. In this example, we want to see the US states roll-up by vice president, in addition to by region. I will copy and paste from Excel and drag and drop the items that are required. This drag and drop feature is handy when we have a reorganization, when I can easily move the states to reflect the organizational change. The next step is to combine dimensions to form a cube. In this example, we will look at expenses. Tracking expenses is critical in ensuring that the organization is running as efficiently as possible. As you can see, we have very easily created our dimensions and cube. This will allow us to slice and dice the data by dimensions for analysis purposes. In this case, to determine the impact of expenses by region, for example, on our overall performance. Now let's load some data. In this example, we will load data from a spreadsheet using drag and drop. First, I need a couple of mapping updates to make sure the system correctly understands the file and the data is loaded. Most customers set up an automated integration which runs on a periodic basis. This is important because it eliminates manual processes and data collection, which can shave days off of your planning cycle. Here's an example of an integration which can be run on demand or on a schedule. Note that the data rolls up through the hierarchy in real time, helping to reduce cycle time. Many customers load data multiple times a day during the close, so as you can imagine, this saves them a lot of time. The data is now shown using the regional roll-up. Using a simple drag-and-drop gesture, I can now see the data rolled up by vice president. Other planning solutions in the market do not support alternative hierarchies like we showed today. They require the data to be moved into another cube to be able to see the alternative analysis. The extra data movement uses up space in the database, requires mapping and reconciliation, and slows down the process. Now let's add a business rule. We are going to calculate the variance. Note that the impact of the business rule change is immediate and occurs in real time. Planning analytics does not require any processing time, additional batch calculations, or downtime for the changes to take effect. In today's dynamic business environment, one can always expect change due to either internal or external market pressures. In this example, we will demonstrate how easily you can change models based on a reorganization in the organization, in this case by vice president. The change is made using simple drag-and-drop gestures, and it's immediately reflected in the analysis. This means that changes are immediately available to end users, providing rapid access to information and reducing cycle times. In this video, we demonstrated how quickly, easy, and flexible IBM Planning Analytics is to create and change models and delivering value to the business.